Make sure you guys stay until the end. It could be a really simple fix that will cost absolutely zero money to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo, guys. Could be any model, gasoline, diesel engine. If you have check engine light on and any of the following codes, such as code P0106, code P0107 or code P0108, stay with us. We'll explain what most likely causes that, top 3 things, how to fix it. All that will be covered in this video today, and it could be really simple fix in some cases. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos for you guys. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have here now. So, we'll be demonstrating on that Fiat, guys. Okay, that Fiat 1.4 turbo engine, that's actually used in Alfa Romeo as well, but even if you have a diesel, will be about the same, because most of them function about the same way. So, this is the fire engine. On this side, you're going to have the turbo and the exhaust manifold. That's where the exhaust gas comes out. On the back side of the engine is where the engine is getting its air from. Practically, this is your intake manifold, the throttle body right here. On the intake manifold, often you will have, guys, okay, one device, okay, right there. You can see that device. This is known as a MAP sensor. Manifold absolute pressure sensor. It detects the vacuum in the intake manifold. That way, the engine can calculate how much air it's getting. If you have any of these codes, most likely you have problems with that sensor. But what can easily cause that? Inspect the wiring harness, make sure that it's plugged in. Bad wiring harness or unplugged wiring harness can easily cause that code. Now, one thing about that one, guys, okay, sometimes people will work on their cars and they will not push the clip all the way in until it gets in place, and that will cause, okay, to throw that code. So always inspect the wires and make sure they're pushed all the way in. Like when we see, okay, vehicles here at the shop, I guarantee you 7 out of 10 times it's a loose wire that people didn't connect, okay, after they worked on their vehicle, or in the past it was worked on, it was loose, they hit a bump, drove it a little bit harder and it came loose. Another thing, it could be, guys, the MAP sensor, when you remove it, it has only one bolt to remove it, okay. We have the video how to replace MAP sensor, but you can see the bolt is right there. Okay, once you remove the bolt, you'll be able to pull the MAP sensor out. It has an O-ring. That O-ring, okay, if it's leaking, you can get that code sometimes as well. Next, okay, next, guys, most likely it's a bad MAP sensor. If you want to see, okay, how to replace and test MAP sensor, we'll have the video on the channel, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys needing help with that on Fiat or Alfa Romeo. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.